Hi everyone. The video how to install TensorFlow in Visual Studio Code is a tutorial that shows how to install the TensorFlow machine learning library in Visual Studio Code, a popular integrated development environment. The video begins by explaining the system requirements for installing TensorFlow, which include Python 3.6 or higher and the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable for Visual Studio 2015, 2017, and 2019. This is the simplest and most common way to install TensorFlow. To do this, open a command prompt or terminal window and navigate to the directory where you want to install TensorFlow. Then, type the following command: pip install TensorFlow. When completed install, you can verify that TensorFlow is installed correctly by opening a Python file within Visual Studio Code, importing TensorFlow, and running a simple test script. That's it. You have successfully installed TensorFlow in Visual Studio Code. You can now start building and running your machine learning models using TensorFlow.